Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the nucleophilic substitution reactions and the mechanism SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. Today we will discuss the nucleophile which substitute halide from haloalkanes, and in the first reactions we will discuss substitution by hydroxy group. First, substitution by hydroxy group. Substitution by hydroxy group. Okay? Substitution by hydroxy group. That means in this reaction the halogen atom attached to the carbon atom will substituted by hydroxy group, and when in this reaction when haloalkanes is treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide or moist silver oxide, the halogen atom substituted by hydroxy group and form alcohol. That means this is the reaction of also preparation of alcohols. Okay. Now see here, when hydroxy group attached to the carbon atom replace halogen atom to form alcohol and byproduct as KX. Okay. Let's see the example. C2H5Br plus potassium hydroxide and KBr removed like this and form C2H5OH plus KBr as a byproduct. Okay. The potassium hydroxide should be aqueous. Clear? Now we have told you that in this reaction the haloalkanes treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide or moist silver oxide. Moist silver oxide means silver hydroxide is known as moist silver oxide. It is known as moist silver oxide, not hydroxide. Moist silver oxide. Why moist silver oxide? Because when silver oxide treated with water to form AgOH, moist silver oxide. Okay, it's not moist silver oxide. When haloalkanes treated with also moist silver oxide, once again halogen substituted by hydroxy group to form alcohol and as a byproduct AgX. Let us give an example. C2H5I plus AgOH gives out C2H5OH and AgI as a byproduct. Clear? Very important reaction है. How will you obtain? Sometime question asked, how will you obtain alcohol from haloalkanes? Ethyl alcohol from ethyl bromide. Then this is the reaction by which you can find the alcohol. When haloalkanes, once again I repeat it, haloalkanes when treated with potassium hydroxide, aqueous potassium hydroxide or moist silver oxide to form alcohol with the elimination of byproduct like this. Clear? Okay. Next one is substitution by alkoxy group. Substitution by alkoxy group. Second one is substitution by alkoxy group. Okay. In this reaction we can prepare ethers, and when haloalkanes is treated with sodium hydroxide or potassium alkoxide to form ether is known as Williamson synthesis. This is the naming reaction. In this reaction, haloalkanes is treated with sodium or potassium alkoxide NaOR to form ether. Both may be different in ROR plus NaX as a byproduct, and this reaction is known as Williamson synthesis. Sometimes question asked in a paper, what is Williamson synthesis? Or write short note on Williamson synthesis. In Williamson synthesis, we can prepare ethers by the action of haloalkanes and metallic alkoxide. Metallic alkoxide may be sodium alkoxide or potassium alkoxide. To form ether is known as Williamson synthesis. Okay, let us give more example. C2H5 Br plus NaOCH3. The compound is obtained C2H5OCH3 and the byproduct NaBr. Methoxyethane. Okay, and this reaction is known as Williamson synthesis. Very important reaction. Okay, and third one is substitution by cyanide group. Substitution by cyanide group. Substitution by cyanide group. In this reaction, when haloalkane is treated with alcoholic potassium cyanide to form cyanoalkanes or alkyl cyanide, you can say alkyl cyanide. That means third one is substitution by cyano group. Okay, in this reaction, alkyl halide treated with potassium cyanide in the presence of alcohol, so it is called alcoholic. You can say in these reactions, haloalkanes treated with alcoholic potassium cyanide or potassium cyanide in the presence of alcohol to form RCN and a byproduct KX. Okay, note, cyanide is an ambident ligand. Okay, why ambident ligands? Cyanide can attach with the carbon atom with carbon or nitrogen. Okay, this group can attach to the alkyl group by carbon or nitrogen. But in case of potassium cyanide, carbon of cyanide attached to the alkyl group because potassium cyanide is polar in nature, or you can say ionic. Potassium cyanide is ionic in nature. So the carbon of cyano group attached to the carbon atom of haloalkanes and form alkyl cyanide or cyanoalkanes. But in case of silver cyanide, when alkyl halide treated with silver cyanide in the presence of alcohol to form alkyl isocyanide as a major product, the byproduct AgX. Okay. In this case, once again, we know very well that cyanide is ambident in nature. It can attest by both carbon and nitrogen with the carbon of haloalkanes, but in this case nitrogen is attached to the carbon of haloalkanes because the silver cyanide is covalent in nature. Okay. In case of potassium cyanide, it is ionic in nature, and in case of silver cyanide, it is covalent in nature. So nitrogen attached to the carbon atom of haloalkanes, while in case of potassium cyanide, carbon atom of cyanide group attached to the carbon atom of haloalkanes to form major product alkyl cyanide, and in case of silver cyanide it form isocyanide. Okay, alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide. Clear? Very important reaction है. This is a very important reaction. Okay. In next topic we will discuss the next substitution reaction, and next substitution reaction by amino group maybe, or by nitro group, etc. Okay. Thank you. All the best.